Route 8B, Pauline. From the regular service, we want to get over in the left lane. We want to make a left turn off of Stadium onto Liberty. We follow the path of the 8A all the way till we reach Stadium and Liberty. Here we're going to make a left turn down Liberty. We're doing the B portion of the 8B. Stop approaching. We follow this the same as a 12A headed towards the Blake Transit Center. Stop approaching. Again, we ask that everyone would please follow all Ann Arbor crosswalk laws. Anytime you see a pedestrian in a marked crosswalk, we must yield the right of way. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. We're approaching 7th Street. This is a time point. Again, this is the 8B. Stop approaching. We ask that you follow the video on 8A to where it points out the change. Then watch the 8B video to show you the second part. Stop approaching. There's a stop here at the stop sign. Stop approaching. Gonna make a right turn at first. We do ask that you exercise proper caution when crossing the railroad tracks. Making our right turn onto First. There are no stops of service on First, so you want to get all the way over to the left. At William, you're going to make a left turn. At the top of the hill here, at the Ann Arbor State Bank, there is a stop. After you have serviced that stop, that is the last stop prior to you reaching the Blake Transit Center. You want to get over in the left lane. You want to continue straight through the stoplight here at Main Street. You will be making your left turn at 4th Avenue. Make a left turn here at 4th. This concludes the 8B, Pauline.